सभी को स्वागत किया है और बात करेंगे आप निफ्टी 50 की ऊँची प्रॉफिट के बारे में। निफ्टी 50 की ऊँची प्रॉफिट dip after 13 quarter deposit despite the 10 PC revenue growth, including bank, financial service and oil and gas firm aggregated revenue rose 10% in the Qatar, the first double-digit increase since the March 2023 Qatar, but aggregated profit dipped due to one-time accounting in wake of India new labor codes. Earning of Nifty 50 companies show a year-on-year contraction in the December quarter for the first time in 13 quarter, even as top lines growth returns to double digit as per industry data, including bank, financial service, and oil and gas firm aggregated revenue rose 10% in the Qatar, the first double-digit increase since the March 2023. Qatar but aggregated profit due to one-time accounting impact of India's new labor codes. Operating profit grew 7.5% year-on-year, up from 6.1% in the September quarter and 5% a year earlier. Despite the revenue gain, aggregated net profit for 37 Nifty 50 companies fell 8.1% from a year earlier, marking the first negative profit growth since the September 2022 Qatar industry data show. 0% GST, 100% protection. Say goodbye to GST. Not protection health insurance now more affordable with the GFC Ergo no search campaign. TCS, Infosys and HCL together incurred over 4,373 crore in one-time cents related to implementation of the new rule, contribution to double-digit moderation in profit for the Qatar. According to multiple reports in the banking space, the Reserve Bank of India intervention on priority sector lending and agricultural book adjustment weighted on earning, but analysts say these were short-term factors. Stock market live updates. Nifty at 25,550, Sensex up 300 BTS, mid-cap side India VIX up 7%. Stock market live updates. Export, IT, all others indices are trading in the green, which power metal, capital good, PSU bank up 1 to 2%. New Wave Technology, ABB India, HDFC Bank, Infosys are among most active share on the NSE. Sensex today Morgan Stanley return overweight rating on TCS target price as 540. One announced partnership with OpenAI. Two AI partnership mirror hyperscale tie UPS during cloud cycle. Three company advances in data center after TPG. Hyperfold investment OpenAI first 100 MW client for data counter and long-term opportunity. Valuation may shift to SOTP with better revenue visibility. And Sensex today Azure multi-project backs work order from Tata Steel. The work order presents to be in design and engineering, execution and handover of OPR and NOPR colony TSSIJ. Vilaipada Joda comparison of apartment blocks G+9 structure for employees are per agricultural scheme and builder design approval of Tata Steel, construction of Swiss book civil, agricultural, electrical, plumbing and sanitary, fire fighting, water profiting, underground overhead water storage tank including area development up to 5 meter all around the individual blocks and installation of automated elevated lift the firefighting all completed. Hazard multi project was quoting at rest 33.99 down rest 0.43 or 1.25%. It has touched an intraday high of rest 34.90 and intraday low of rest 33.51. Sensex today. Artemis Midcare Service signed agreement to operate Bhimans Hospital in South Delhi. Artemis Medical Care Service has entered into a medical service agreement to operate and manage Vidyasagar Institute of Mental Health and Neuro and Allied Science. Sensex to the Nifty Midcaps Index up 0.5% to investment PB Fintechs Bharat Dynamics among top contributor. Nifty Midcap 100 top stock gainer intraday. Tube Investment PB Fintechs Bharat Dynamics IRTC also Cleland Torrent Power Sailed Voltas Union Bank Indian Bank Cummins Rail Vikas Protect LNG Colgate Bank of India Jubilant Foods Federal Bank Tata Communication Glenmark Muthoot Finance and extra others companies. Sensex today E2E network signs MOU with Larsen Turbo Vioma. E2E network has entered into a memorandum of understanding with Larsen and Turbo. Under the MOU, E2E and Larsen and Turbo Vioma intend to partner to augment and scale Larsen and Turbo Vioma GPU cloud infrastructure capacity and enable it is the commercialization through Sensex Nifty open trade IT continue to break as of 9:26 am. Sensex last 150 points or 0.19% to reach 82,343 and Nifty dip 31 points or 0.12% to settle at 25,423. The Indian equity market opened the last trading session of the week in red on Friday, extending sharp losses in the previous day. Nifty 50 December Qatar profit fall 8.1% YoY. Revenue growth turns double digit. Aggregate net profit of 37. Nifty 50 companies fell 8.1% from a year earlier, the first negative growth since the September 2022. Qatar, however, top line growth turned positive with revenue rising 10% during the Qatar, the first double digit growth since the March 2023 March.